Hi little kids, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful ambulance in a very easy way. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. You will learn ambulance drawing very easily. I draw the ambulance. Let's color it. Ambulance always white in color. So here I am using red color. Now I am using yellow color. This is deep blue color. Here I am using deep brown color. And the last one I am using light blue color. Wow, the ambulance is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Wow!